So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the back of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. So as you can see, on top of the 3 seats in the front, we also have 3 seats in the middle just here, so 6 seats in total. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of space in here, as well as the ply lining and the full metal bulkhead as well. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. We have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges in the middle. Beneath that, it will show you what gear this vehicle is. It's an automatic. We're in park at the moment. And then above that, we have the main trip computer section, which includes the total miles of 10,640. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that, although you can change that information using a button on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. And the button in question is just here. Beneath that, we have stereo and phone controls. Over on the left-hand side, the stereo controls continue, along with cruise control and speed limiter. Then over in the center, we have the main touchscreen radio. So this is how you turn your radio on, and then you can adjust the volume down the bottom just here. Once you're in the audio menu, you'll be able to listen to your music via AM, FM, and DAB radio. Bluetooth audio as well. You can also plug in devices via the 2 USB inputs, one of which is just here, and they will appear up on here as further options for you. In order that you use Bluetooth audio, you need to pair up your phone, of course, and that is done by hitting
search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
Follow the instructions on screen from there. We, as I said, have the main volume for the stereo just there. We have the air conditioning, so you can adjust the fan speed, the direction of the air, the temperature. When you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning on and off again. You can recirculate the air in the van. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you set. We then also have heated mirrors, heated front screen, heated driver seat and heated passenger seat as well. And then finally, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. The buttons on the side will enable you to change up and down a gear manually should you wish to do that. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the vehicle for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.